milk in the. I don't like milk in it. What? Oh, wrong. Hey, it's your big break, and we're thrilled to have so many eager extras joining us tonight. It's a big moment for our movie, and if this doesn't work, we might have to scrap the whole thing. No, but seriously, everyone's working for free. And fun. I mean fun. It is fun. Hey, what's up, Chief? I think his name is Alan. This production is exactly what you'd expect from a big studio film. Big monsters, big scares, big synergy. Yeah. I don't know how many syllables that word has, but it's not enough. Where's my latte?
The buzz around this production is incredible. People love monsters. I've even heard Oscar talk already. Okay, fine. I may have started that one, but that's not lying. That's just good publicity. Now, if anything strange happens tonight, well, I imagine the press would be all over it. Oh, Carla Spin, what are we spinning?
We're recreating the look from the original monster films. The scale, the shadows, the feeling that something's watching you from just off frame. I used to act. And I brought in some of the original props from those very films. Oh, priceless artifacts. So stunning, I just had to have them for myself. That's a joke.
Everything's secure. Well, mostly. There's been some movement around the backlot at night, and I've been keeping a close watch on the set. I'm there every day, right in front of them. So close to the spotlight. Hey, where are you going? I said faster, more secure. Come on, people. We have a safety manifest to follow. What's your name?
This movie is all about monsters, and the best monsters are the ones that really commit. Boo! I'm kidding. Not a monster. I'm a producer. Helen, go find my kid. Boo!
Trust me, nothing ever really goes wrong on a movie set. And if it does, we'll spin it.
Believe it or not, it's my first time art directing on the backlot, but it has been a hoot and a half getting to explore it. Trapdoors, secret cabinets, so many little hiding places.
Just remember, follow instructions, stay where you're told. This will be a night you'll never forget. I don't remember checking you in. What's your name? 10-4, we have a bogey. I repeat, a Humphrey Bogart on the back line. Hey, go back from behind that bush.
Oh, especially after that noise. There it goes again, guys. Ruh-roh indeed.
I am the Phantom Director, and it's time for my masterpiece to finally begin. I summon the original Universal Monsters. Lights, camera, chaos. Dracula, Wolfman, the Bride, the Creature, Frankenstein's monster. The monsters are loose, the production is shut down, and the backlot belongs to me. Your dream of being in the film's finale is cancelled.
Jinkies, we are getting overwhelmed. The monsters came to life and are causing chaos all over the backlot. She's standing on us.
Gang, it's chaos down here. The Phantom Director is controlling the monsters and has shut down the filming. We all need to stop him.
We've already narrowed it down to 4 suspects. When you arrive, grab your mystery manual from one of the PAs. Search the set, find the clues near each of our themed HQs, and help us uncover who's really behind the Phantom Director's mask. Once you've solved all 4 clues, meet us at the big reveal finale zone so we can unmask the Phantom Director together.
When we crack this case, we'll get the movie rolling again, and everyone gets to be in the big finale scene.
And, watch out for monsters while you're at it. Look out behind you, Scoob!
Okay, amateur detectives, we're counting on you to help us save the day. Ugh, Jinkies.
That's why I brought my flashlight. So I can keep an eye on all you guys, see where you guys are going, alright? You guys are not gonna hide any dark and spooky alleys from me, okay? I'm Frank Jones and I'm on the case. What's your name? Tess. You look so excited tonight, Tess. Oh my gosh. There's lots of monsters. You like monsters? Who's your favorite monster? Monster Inc. I've never heard of them. Are they another mystery solving game? Oh my gosh. We should collab one of these days. How you doing? Yeah, you got a thing up there and you got a thing down there. Why don't you just put them together, you know? No, you just like to hold them both? I guess you're a bit of a control freak like Max Flash, huh? He's the big producer around this movie, okay? And let's see, he would have a thing for big events, big spectacles, you know, big everything. And this is a big mess. And we all know producers make big messes, right? Right? You'll never admit it. But it's true. And then they'll blame everyone else. Oh, look at my net, guys. See, I got this from the net store, like 80% off. Take a look at this. Oh, look at that string, that twine, the mesh. It's beautiful. You know, I have a net at home. Sometimes I like to snuggle with it in bed.
Have you caught anyone with it yet?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You know what? And you look like you'd be a perfect fit for in here. So that's
I don't know.
good.
It looks a little small.
No. It stretches out. We gotta think big, okay? You're trying to throw me off your trail, aren't you? See, I'm trying to think. You're getting more suspicious by every minute.
I don't know about that.
Oh, I know. My brain's thinking, you know? And wouldn't it be a great disguise to, like, be a part of the crowd? Like, oh, I'm trying to solve the mystery, but really you're behind it?
Maybe it's
It's
you.
a good diversion tactic. Maybe it is me. Everyone's a suspect. I said so. So it could be me. It could be Velma. It could be Daphne. It could be Shaggy. Oh, I'm hurting my brain just thinking about it. Wow, you're smart.
It's not Scooby, though.
Oh, no, never Scooby. Never Scooby. He's too scary. He's always too scared to do that. He's just running around.
What belongs to me and my monsters. Planet Lightning!
I just high-fived the previous side. Yeah.
Lights, camera, chaos!
We have what we need to solve this mystery. The lanyard in the graveyard.
The suspect who was too far away when the Phantom Director appeared in the Court of Miracles.
And the item that mysteriously went missing from the Ocean Oddities window.
Which means there is only one suspect left for us to trap.
Wait! I have a plan. We lure the Phantom Director onto the trapdoor. Scooby hits the trigger at exactly the right moment, and it sends him down the trash chute.
Like, when has that ever worked, right?
If you do it, these Scooby snacks are yours. Who wants them?
You cannot stop what has already begun. I am coming for you.
Okay, that's our cue. Move now. Let's split up, gang.
Jeepers!
Jinkies.
This way, Scoop.
Up the stairs, everyone.
Which way, Fred?
This is so spooky.
Zoinks, I pulled a
Jeepers, it's pretty creepy over here.
Why are there so many doors?
Should I try? Sorry, Freddy.
Shh. Be quiet.
Where should we go?
What do you think, Velma?
Go, go, go!
Velma, door!
It's okay. Just think of Scooby snacks.
This way, Freddy.
Just hit the door, Daphne.
The monsters are everywhere! I think we can get them to help us. Hurry! They're right behind us! Now, Scooby!
Let's find out who's under the mask.
The big shot behind the shutdown!
He used the monsters to shut down this film so he could steal the backlot for his own movies. He thought if he could get this production to leave, he'd finally get to direct his dream film.
So you weren't trying to save the shoot, you were trying to sabotage it.
All I ever wanted to do was to make my own movie. A black and white 4-hour tap-dancing monster musical. The studios laughed me out of the room, but I found investors to start here immediately. A little special effects, a little monster chaos, and the whole backlot would have been mine.
Like you sure are the mogul of mayhem, man.
And I would have gotten away with it too if it weren't for you meddling kids and your mystery-solving guests.
Sorry, Max. Looks like your dream project's been canceled.
Bye, Max.
Enjoy your trip to the jailhouse rock.
So, did you get it right?
You know, once the monsters lost their glow, it was clear the Phantom Director's control had faded, and they actually had our backs in the end. And Scoop, you earned this.
Like total hero moment.
Mystery solved. Production is back up and running. Monsters are cleared to hang out for the rest of the night. And get this. Turns out the cameras caught everything. You helped solve the mystery as it happened, which means no reshoots needed. That chaos was the finale. Take a bow, detectives.
You heard him, gang? That's a wrap on this mystery.
We couldn't have done it without all of you.
Seriously, thank you for jumping in and saving the night with us.
Like I can't wait to see how this movie turns out.
Good boy, Scooby.
Thanks, everyone.
Help us solve another one soon, okay?
Yeah. I'll get my sister. Thanks, everyone.
Great party.
Like I gotta say, trap the Phantom Director, save the film, and still walk away with a Scooby snack? That's what I call a perfect production. Yeah, jackpot. This movie is a real scream. You enjoying it, Frankie? Like best monster movie ever. Think they'll make a sequel? Ooh.